In this video, I'm going to show you myself opening up my 15 free stocks that I received from WeBull. On top of that, I'm also going to show you how you can start getting free stocks using the WeBull investing platform for free. If you don't have a WeBull investing account yet, use my link down in the description to open up an account with WeBull. Once you do that, when you deposit at least $100 the first time you put money into your account, you will get one free stock, and then you'll be able to send out your link to other people to get free stocks as well. If you haven't done it yet, please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. If you have any questions throughout this whole video, please leave them down in the comments below and I will answer every single one of them for you. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get your referral link so you can start sending your link out to people and getting free stocks, and then I'm going to show you which stocks I get. We're going to open them up together. It's going to be kind of a mystery. I'm excited to see what I'm going to get. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and hit the menu to the bottom right there. And right here, you're going to see Promotion Center. You're going to press on that where it says Promotion Center. And this is going to show you all the promotions that WeBull currently has going on. They always have a bunch of different promotions going on every single month. They switch them out here and there. So always be looking here to get an idea. So at this point, if you refer a friend, you will actually get 4 free stocks. So this is one promotion that they have going on right now. So instead of getting 1, you could get 4 if you invite a friend once you open up an account with them. So in this case, we are going to press click on where it says refer a friend to get 4 free stocks. And this is going to give you all the details of how long the promotion is running. But in this case, you need to find your referral link so you can start sharing it with people. And there's a couple different ways you can do this. The first way you can do this is we're going to scroll down, and you can either send it to somebody's email address. So see step 1, send it to somebody's email address. You can type it in there, it'll send it to them automatically. Or if maybe you want to send them a link or text them a link, your friend or someone you know, text them a link so they can just click on it and then open it up as opposed to emailing it to them. All you have to do is see where it says share your referral link. All you have to do is press on that, and then it's going to copy it. So now you can just go to a text. So let me show you. Now we can go to a text and we can send it to somebody, and all I have to do is tap on that, paste it, and there is the WeBull referral link that you can send to people so that you can start getting those free stocks. In this case, they currently have that promotion going on where you would get 4 free stocks. Sometimes it's 3 free stocks, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 1. In my case, I only get 1 free stock because I have a special relationship with WeBull going on right now. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the free stocks that I've received. As you can see, I have 15 of them waiting for me to open. And as you can see, I've gotten quite a few from WeBull over the past handful of months. So you get free stocks. I have proof here that I've gotten a lot of free stocks from them. So we're going to go ahead and press the get. I might not know what all of these are either. So we're just going to see what the ticker symbol is. In this case, it's PLAB, $10.11. I'll take it. It's only $10.11, but still it's free money. So I'll always take free money. Continue. Okay, so it's going to continue to go through them automatically. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so it looks like these are around $10 at this point, which is perfectly fine. Oh, and one of the reasons, actually I should explain this, why I got 15 free stocks is they had a promotion going on where if you deposited a certain amount of money into your WeBull account, then they would give you X amount of free stocks. So during this promotion, I think it was if you deposited any more, or I think it was $10,000, between $10,000 and $15,000 or $10,000 and $20,000 into your account, then they would give you 15 free stocks. So honestly, all I did was I just deposited $10,000, the minimum, and I got those 15 free stocks. And once I got those free stocks, I just withdrew the money back into my bank account. So this is very free money. So when they have a lot of these promotions going on, make sure you take advantage of them if you can. They also have another promotion going on right now to where I think it was if you deposit $25,000, they'll give you 20 free stocks. And then another amount, it was 30. And then I saw another one that was really high. It was like if you deposit $250,000, then they'll give you 60 free stocks. I'm not going to deposit $250,000 into my account, so this one I'm kind of passing up, but once they have this promotion going on again in the future, I'm definitely doing it. All right, so let's continue. 938, HPE, another $10 one, $11 one, $10 one. I don't know how many I have left. Let me X out of this and see. Okay, look, so it says you have 7 chances to claim free stocks. So we've got 7 more to go. So let's go ahead and hit get. 938, $10, $11, $9, $11. How many do I have left? 2. Fingers crossed. Let's get an expensive one. Oh, look at that. KHC, $29. And $10.11. Now, one thing to keep in mind is now that I've received all of these, if you see down below here, it says a lot of them are in transit. So those 15 that I opened up, they're in transit. So it's usually going to take about 7 days. I think it was 7 to 10 days is what it usually takes for those stocks to actually get deposited or credited to your account. So keep that in mind. These are in transit. So when you do get your free stocks, don't freak out if they're not added to your account immediately. It does take a little bit of time. I'm sure they have to verify some things on the back end on their side, and yeah, it's just normal process when it comes to those kinds of businesses. They have to verify quite a few things. They probably even have to buy these stocks technically to deposit them or credit them to my account. So don't get mad, just be patient once you open up your free stocks. If you want more videos just like this one, then make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to check out my other how to investing videos right here to your left next.